All right, so the second version, the second method of transposing music is transposing by a whole step. And this can be, of course, extrapolated into other kinds of distances. Transpose by a half step, transpose by two whole steps, two whole tones, whatever. We're going to use a whole step as an example. So, to transpose a melody by a whole step, first work out the new key signature. So we have to look at where we're at. The original music is in the key of, you can see here that we're in the key of F major, and the other clues, we're starting on F, ending on F. We are happily in the key of F major. I'm just going to quickly write this down so we don't forget it. And right over here, I'm going to write F plus F major. Okay. So the melody below is in F major, and we have been asked to transpose it a whole step higher. Perhaps there's someone singing this, and it's just a little bit low out of their range. They'd like it a little bit up. So one tone above F, one whole step above F, the note F is G. So therefore our transposed version will be in G major. All you have to do to transpose from one key a whole step higher is look at your tonic note. In the key of F major, your tonic is F. All you have to do is travel the distance. If we're being asked to travel one tone or one whole step, what is one whole step above this? Here's our old tonic. Our new tonic is one whole step higher, or G. So our transposed version is in G major. Okay, so that's how we transpose, that's how we figure out the new key. All right, that's step one. Work out the new key signature. Start from your original, travel the distance, and that's your new tonic. After writing in the new key signature, carefully write out each note one whole step higher. So all you have to do is take what in this case, right here, which was a note on a space, one step up to the line. This note was on a line, up to the space. This note on a space, up to the line. You can see that the F became a G, G became an A became a B, F became G. Everything is up one step, okay? You don't have to worry that you've exactly gone one whole step. All you have to go is from a line to the next, from the space to the next line, or from a line to the next space. The fact that you have changed your key signature to the new key will take care of any half steps or anything like that was affected by the key signature itself, right? So only two steps to transpose by a whole step. First, work out the key, work out the new key signature by going from old tonic to new tonic. And then once you've figured that out, write out the notes one whole step higher, or whatever the distance was. Okay, let's say, for example, I wanted this original music was in the key of F. I take the same stuff. Let's say I wanted to move it up two whole steps. I will just do the same process. It's to go up two whole steps, first of all, find the new key signature. If my original music is still in F major, what note is two whole steps above F? Well, you're going to refer to a piano keyboard, of course, because it really will help you the most. Remember, a piano keyboard is your answer key. It's your cheat sheet for so much theory stuff. Okay, so from the note F, I'm just going to zoom in a tiny bit here. From the note F, I'm going to go up one whole step to G and another whole step to A. Sorry about that. A being my new key signature, my new tonic. Right? All I have to do then is write in the key signature for A major, which would be 3 sharps in here, Father Charles goes, and then move all my notes up a third. So from the bottom space, my first note would start on the second space. The note on the second line would go to the third line. All my music would go up a third. And I would have transposed this whole piece of music from the key of F up two whole steps to the key of A. So there's your short 5-minute lesson on transposing by a whole step. All right, so try using that skill. It's just 2 steps to do this. Two little steps. Transpose a melody, work out the new key by using the original tonic and finding the new tonic. And after writing that key, Carefully write out each note one step higher. You're going to do it right here, transposing this melody up a whole step, transpose this melody down by a whole step, and then at the bottom, transpose the last melody up by a whole step. The little hint here, when you're transposing in a minor key, don't forget that the raised seventh will usually need an accidental in the transposed version. So anytime you have a note that is changed with an accidental, like this guy down here, the new note will also need an accidental of some kind, all right? Just because you have a key signature, that doesn't take care of that sharp sign. So when you transpose it, you need to raise the resulting note down here by a half step. All right, so take a minute, finish up that worksheet, and we'll take it up in class. See you in the next lesson.